We started with APT's ModPal, Modular Palletizing Equipment, then customized to pick the packaged product and palletize to the customer's stacking requirements. This customer requested a double verification system. The product goes through a lighted camera area to check again that the product is packaged correctly. There is a gravity conveyor for mispackaged items that allows for manual correction. The end-of-arm tool picks up both the tubs and the bottom tray, so it stays with the product during movement. This system uses 2 lanes. If a lane is full, the robot switches to the alternate lane. The full lane is emptied manually with a pallet jack, and a new pallet is placed for the robot to use. There are 2 zones of light curtains for safety purposes. One is in front, outside the robot cell, and the other is on the interior near the robot. This keeps the robot from working in the cell when an employee has entered to empty the pallet lane. One of our standard features is our HMI and the ease-of-use touchscreen with tab browsing. The HMI is broken into 5 color-coded tabs with enhanced diagnostics and 3D graphics. There are many additional options that could be added to this system, from pallet dispensing to automated conveyor systems to shrink wrapping.